It's Wednesday, June 29th, and there's a flurry of activity around the house because we're looking at occupancy permits being issued, hopefully, for tomorrow. So I'll show you some of the activity. First thing that I can note on the outside is that the septic tank has been connected to the house. So now there's a pipe running between the two, and we're going to be able to use toilets as a consequence of the septic tank being available. The bed itself is not yet in place. Presumably that'll be happening next week or so, we hope. And I'll show you the rest of what's happening, because we had I think at least a window being delivered. I don't know where they are or if all of the windows have been delivered or what the story is, but let's go and explore and see what's going on. There are more windows. There's a window there. There's another one there. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a door, I think. And here are the rest. So there's another 3 there on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows there, leaning up against the wall. So, windows. Oh, these are sliding doors, I think. This one in the back is, anyways. And there are 3 larger ones here. And then I think this is front window in the studio. Something along those lines. I don't know exactly what we've got. So let's go and explore what else has been done. So taps have been added onto the wall here. Taps here. There's a laundry tub.
Isn't that bad? It's just worse because you want to be as sweaty as possible.
Toilet has been installed. Ooh, that looks interesting. I had to open up the wall here above the vanity. The vanity's ready to go. Don't know why that was done. Sorry. Lights are up in my office. Nothing else has changed in here. Excuse me. Still work going on in the utility room. Covers are on the receptacles here. Lights are up. So this is the studio. Covers are on the receptacles and the switch in the storage room. Covers on that wall. Covers on that wall. Switches are here and here.
They're too long.
Lights are not in here yet. Covers are not on. HVAC's not in. Lights in place. in the main bathroom. The vanity is in place. Shower heads there. The control for the shower is in place. Window's not complete yet. This is the control for the underfloor heating. Toilet's in place. But pot light has not been cut yet. Okay, just finishing up the cabinets in the kitchen. So the pantry and the fridge this apparently needs to be tied into the wall again. We're going to be dealing with 3/4 inch plywood for countertops for a while. The sink is working. I'm going to be able to make some good coffee here over the weekend. And cabinets are, for the most part, in place, ready to go. This will be the way that the microwave works. The sink here won't be in place for a while because they actually have to cut the front of the cabinet to match the actual kitchen sink. That current farmhouse sink that's over there, and then it needs to be plumbed through. So plumbing is roughed in, ready to go. These cabinets are ready to go as well, as are these. And then here's the back plate and the wine rack. So we're just having a discussion about the pot lights that need to be cut there. Apparently that's going to be done tomorrow. And a couple of guys are coming back to finish off the rest of the electrical, etc. I assume that means that this sink is running as well. Yes, it is. And I assume that also means that the shower is running too. But until we end up with Tyler coming in to finish off the shower, we won't be able to use it. And in here, two pot lights have to be cut because they're not showing up yet. I think that's as far as I can show you for today. We'll probably do another sweep through when Patricia comes back. They should be putting most of the cabinets into the cupboards later on today. So they'll be able to get them out of this room as well. Anyways, we'll update you soon.
Hey there, Tricia here. After a busy day of work, I'm going to see what's been accomplished today. So this is my first time seeing it. That was delivered today. The range hood.
Oh, okay.
It said it was going to by the end of the day. So I guess it arrived and they brought it up here.
Yeah, sure.
Oop, gotta go this way. Okay. So the range hood arrived today. So maybe that can be installed as well. So let's look around. Nothing's changed in here. Oh, we have some covers for the light switches. And there, ooh. And all around. Someone was playing with water.
Yeah, it's probably when they put the heater in.
Uh-huh. And in here as well. Oh, we've got some lights up in here. Do they actually work? Nope. Electricity is not on yet. Oh, and in my office, lights in my office. Cool. Let's see.
Here's the water heater.
Aha.
Didn't show this before.
Kind of the water heater. So that's an on-demand water heater. and
Electrical?
electrical. So that would be eventually, once we get our solar panels, it will be heated with electricity from our solar panels. And what is that?
It's a water filter.
So it is a filter already?
Yeah, I don't know exactly what.
Maybe we should ask them what it's all about. Maybe
It
they
is-
do that automatically
Yeah, probably.
for wells? I
So
don't know.
I
Maybe we should
set
talk
up,
to them tomorrow.
I set up an appointment for tomorrow with a guy from
Pioneer?
Pioneer.
Okay.
So he's coming at 1:30 to 2 o'clock.
It's when your brother's coming and we're having lunch.
What can I
Anyways.
do?
And we have lights up in here in Roland's office and plugs all around. So that is ready. Laundry room. Okay, they've got some plumbing. They've got some plumbing put on there. I went out today and I got a laundry tub sink and a faucet and got them from the Restore. So $60 for just both of them, when a laundry tub like that is about $120 in the store for free. And it just has a little bit of paint on the bottom. So used, but it will get used anyways. So.
And this is for the washing machine. And there's a space for the dryer, but it hasn't been
Vented.
hooked up yet. Yeah, nor has it been, well, it won't be vented until we get the thermal wall next week. But that's for the laundry tub. And, oh yeah, so there's some bad news here too.
Okay.
The sink works,
Yeah.
but apparently when they were putting the electricity in, they punctured a water line, so the plumbers had to go in and fix this up, and it will be fixed.
So you see the holes. Okay.
3 holes.
Okay, so yeah, at least I found it. We don't have water in the walls.
Yep. But the sink does work.
So it probably doesn't have hot water yet though, right?
No, there's no hot
No.
water.
Okay. Do we check if the toilet works?
I have not checked if the toilet works. There is water in it. And when you press the lever, it flushes!
We have flush toilets!
Soon be happy!
You have to walk all the way up here and not have any privacy. Well, anyways.
Of course, with people walking in and out of here, I don't know how comfortable she's going to feel.
That's what I meant about privacy.
Yeah. Well, you can close the door. Hold the door.
Ooh, and we've got a kitchen put together
With cupboards.
with cupboards.
Drawers.
So, here's our,
I didn't show this
Fridge
before
opening.
because it wasn't done.
and next to the fridge. So we've got kind of a pantry. Cool. Even though we've got a large pantry here, but that will have more larger goods, and the freezer,
The
small
spices
freezer.
and things will be in here.
Yeah. And
I'm looking
canned
forward
goods
to
and
that,
things
yeah.
like that. Well, and this isn't too high.
Oh, the door doesn't work yet.
Although the fridge is going to be sticking out.
Yep.
So this is, so we have drawers here, 3 drawers. And 4 drawers here, a drawer, and where our microwave is below the counter, and a drawer down here, which will probably have the
Look at the
microwave dishes. Ooh, we have a sink, look at that. Oh, he's got his sink.
It works!
Aha. Nice.
On the counter.
Now the counters are temporary
Yep.
because they will be measuring for the quartz countertops tomorrow, I think.
They asked us specifically to make sure that this remains here
Okay.
because it'll need to be used
For
by
the countertop people.
By the countertop folks.
Okay. And then 3 drawers here, which will have some of the coffee stuff.
I like that there's room for me. I guess I don't need it at the side, but because there
What?
will be poles.
Yeah, yeah. There, we did get poles, but they haven't done that. Yeah, this is our. Oh, let's
Recycling.
cut the recycling things in them. So recycling drawers. Cool. And yeah, that's. So we have a farmhouse sink, a Kraus farmhouse sink, and that will have to get cut out. Installed there.
Oh, the cake plates are on already.
And this will be room for the dishwasher. And yeah, then more. So we'll probably have dishes in here. In these
Silverware?
drawers and silverware. Flatware, I guess it's not silver.
Right.
Um,
And then another set of drawers.
yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with all these drawers.
I don't think we had so many drawers, huh?
No, but
Well,
we don't
we've got
have
a
we don't have
possible
upper
too, right?
cabinets. So we're planning on up there, across here, is to have live edge wood shelves. So a couple of those, and that will offset the height of the fridge. So we'll have some symmetry with the fridge as well too, there. And on this side of the counter, we have a wine rack, which is good for us. And then there's room for people to sit around the island. So the whole countertop of the island will be around here. And yeah, so we got a light fixture here. There'll be a fan going up tomorrow here. And then we'll have a light fixture there that'll go above the table.
And I asked about the pot lights.
Yeah.
7 in this room that need to be cut out, and 2 in the bathroom, and they'll all be done tomorrow.
Yeah, so I have 4 pot lights along there. Well, that one in the corner is counted, but the 4 pot lights up there, and then 3 more over here. So we have some lighting on that side of the kitchen over there. And let's see what else. Ooh, we have the bathroom here, and we have a vanity. Nice, and water. And our vanity light is up. Nice. So we'll see if my mirror fits. I have to do some touch-up painting on that one yet. But yeah, I like the gray. It kind of works with the inside of the shower there. So if he can get the window in, then we can get the tiling finished, and then we can get the shower going. So they got part of the shower in there today.
The controls, anyways.
The controls. There is going to be a handheld on that side as well. And we have a toilet in here.
Yeah, I haven't seen if this
Does
one
this
works.
one work?
I assume that it does. These are nice flush handles.
Yeah?
They just push down.
Oh, neat. And they're comfort high toilets for us old people.
So we don't have to bend our knees.
Don't have to bend our knees as much. And
That's more for some people than others.
And then they are also going to put in a couple of pot lights in here.
So we can see
So
what
you
we're
can
doing
actually
when you're doing
see.
the business.
Yeah. So this bedroom is pretty much the same, except it doesn't have all the cupboards in it. So HVAC, is that coming tomorrow?
Didn't ask.
I'm assuming it has to be the heating and cooling system for occupancy. I'm not sure. And there's our lights that are not in yet, but I guess they'll do them tomorrow. And I guess flooring doesn't count for occupancy.
No, that'll be done tomorrow, so
Oh, okay.
we're working on that.
Great. So that's the tour for today. So maybe this flooring will get done tomorrow as well. And yeah. So tomorrow appliances will go in. At least we can have a fridge for the weekend. And
So.
that would be great. And a stove. And yeah, that'll be good. So anyways.
Coffee machine? No, can't have the coffee machine. Because it's in storage. It won't be coming for another 2 weeks.
No, but oh, and they haven't got the electrical
That'll
plug
be
there.
done tomorrow too.
Yeah. Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to sign off for today and give you an update tomorrow and see if we got that occupancy permit for tomorrow. Oh, okay. Sign off for today. Bye for now.